Hi everyone. We are back again for this additional with 6 extra Sudokus. And we will continue now with the second Sudoku, a second Sudoku with 2 stars. So let's get started. Yeah. Let me see which number I can use. Yeah, let me try the 9. I see here 9 in the last column, a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for a 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. The 9. Can I do this again with another number? How about the number? Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for an 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. But I see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. But I see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. But I see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. Now, 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. The missing numbers here are the 1, the 5, and the 7. I see here the 1 and the 5 in this column. So no 1 and the 5 in this box. That means 1 digit left for the 7. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, a 7 in the column next, so in the last column. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. Then 5. Yes. We have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be here. Here we have the 1 and the 5. I remember that means 1 digit left. 1 and the 5. 1 digit left for the number 3. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. These 2 numbers in this column, the missing numbers here are the 6 and the 4. 6 and the 4, that means I cannot fill this yet, 6 and the 4. That means this box left for this big square, 6 and a 4, this number should be a 5. This should be a 5. Now, I remember the 1 and the 5 are left in this big square. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6, I believe. 6, yeah, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then these 3 numbers of this big square are the numbers 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. I see here 1 and a 4. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 should be in those 2 boxes. So here we have 1 digit left for the number 2. Yes. And then 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so in the row between. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there, only place for the 3 should be here, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then how about four missing numbers here in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so in the 3rd row, the only place for a 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the 2nd row, so in the 3rd row, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in the 1st column for the number 5. 5 is missing, alright. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers here. The numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 7 in this row. I see here a 2 and a 6, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 7. 2 and the 6 goes there, 2 and the 6 goes there. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information, but we see here a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. The numbers are the 6 and the 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then we have here 2 missing numbers here in the 3rd column. The numbers are the 1 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 6. Two numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 2. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We see here 2, no 2 here, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself or make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this Sudoku video. I will see you soon with the third Sudoku. Then I will continue with the Sudoku with 3 stars. So for now, thank you for watching and see you in a minute. Bye bye.